Hi, welcome to my channel Candies and Sparkles. Thanks for joining me. Like and subscribe so you could be abreast of everything I'm doing in the future. Well, right now I'm just going to walk you through my Easter center table. I've done it on the budget. These are mats that I usually have on the table. This here is a crystal vase that I always had along with a platter. What I did was just only purchase the Easter eggs for $2.94 from, I believe, Quality Fabrics in the Bahamas. And then this here is also a thrifted project where I would have used old fabric that I had in my stash to make these carrots. If you want me to show you how to make the carrots, just say in the comments and then I'll make a video on it. And right here is some lemongrass that I dried that I got, I believe, from the yard. So it goes to show that you really don't need to go spend on splurge to do a little Easterscape. I'm going to walk you over to one of my favorite stations, and it's favorite to me because it's the reason for the season. This here is the cross, the main reason for the season, and I hope you reflect on it as Good Friday comes along, Palm Sunday and everything else. Right here is a regular crystal saucer. And I have some roses that I want to dry from a previous project. I'm going to be upcycling it for another project. So upcycle, upcycle, upcycle. Here is a regular candle holder that I placed this lantern on. And I dressed it with a rose to give it some little color. Here is my high table where I have some brown shaper jitters that I always have. And then the straw that I always had also. So upcycle, upcycle, thrift, thrift, thrift. Look in your stash. Here is a nice, beautiful swan ornament. It reminds me so much of spring. And I have also a vintage teapot. I believe it's like 40 to 50 years old. But I always love antique things because it always has a meaning behind it. Outside I saw some, I believe these are ferns that I outsourced from outside. So you don't have to even buy the greenery. So it just goes to show that if you want to decorate for Easter, you don't have to break the bank. And that's really all I have for you today. But if you like what I did on my table and my overall Easter decorations, let me know in the comments and let me know what you plan on doing for Easter. I'm very nosy, so please share. But for now, thanks for watching and like and subscribe. Bye.